Welcome to Steady Learning. Today we are going to look at idioms made easy. This is part 2 of our series, and the idioms we are going to talk about today are connected with the color blue. So let's begin. Our first idiom is once in a blue moon, which means rarely or hardly ever. Have a look at the sentences. Once in a blue moon, he donates money to charity, which means he rarely gives money for a good cause. Have a look at sentence 2. She visits her parents once in a blue moon, which means she visits her parents rarely or hardly ever. Out of the blue. It means something that is very unexpected. Out of the blue, my father bought me a car. I never expected my father to buy me a car, but unexpectedly and pleasantly, my father bought me a car. The principal announced a holiday out of the blue, which means the principal announced a holiday unexpectedly. It wasn't on the calendar, but an unexpected holiday is always welcome. Shall we move further? Our third idiom is feeling blue. It means to be sad or depressed. I was feeling blue when my dog died. That means when my dog died, I was feeling sad or depressed. Similarly, Rita often feels blue during the winters. This is because she does not like the winters. It's gloomy, there is less activity, and so she feels sad and depressed. Moving further. True blue is a person who is loyal or faithful. Sonia is a true blue when it comes to friendship. This means that Sonia is faithful and loyal to all her friends. Look at the second one. True blue ministers always support the king. This means that ministers who are loyal to their leader will always support him. Moving further. Black and blue. This means that a person is badly bruised. His body was black and blue after he fell down the stairs, which means he was badly bruised or injured after the accident took place. The cruel master beat his servant black and blue. This shows that after the cruel master had violently hit his servant, his condition was that he was badly bruised. It's time to revise what we practiced today. Have a look at these 5 sentences and see which idiom fits each of them. Shall we look at the answers? I hope your answers matched the ones in this exercise. If you look at sentence 1, our neighbor was badly bruised after he collided with a passing motorist. Sentence 2, my friend is always careful about his diet, but on a rare occasion he eats sweets. My father cares for his family, He is a loyal, faithful family man. We had fine weather all day. Then, unexpectedly, all of a sudden, it began to rain. And the last one, Natasha always feels sad when she listens to sad songs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then you could also go through part 1 of my series of color idioms given on this page. And if you find my channel useful, then like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, bye-bye.